Iran's air defenses have brought down 3 small drones over the central city of Isfahan, state media reported, hours after United States broadcasters, quoting senior U.S. officials, said Israeli missiles had hit an Iranian site. Iranian state television reported explosions in Isfahan as air defenses were activated and flights across several areas, including the capital, Tehran and Isfahan, were suspended. Airspace was reopened about 4.5 hours after the incident, and there were no reports of casualties.